Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 19. This segment focuses on reading and listening. Welcome to our Reading and Listening Challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started. The title of our story is The Perfectly Imperfect Picnic. It was a bright Saturday morning, and Sarah had planned a perfect picnic with her kids. She packed their favorite snacks, games, and blankets, excited for the day. But as they arrived at the park, the wind picked up, blowing plates and napkins all over. To make matters worse, her son spilled juice, and her daughter accidentally stepped in a mud puddle. It was far from the ideal day she had imagined. Just as Sarah was feeling disappointed, her kids burst into laughter, chasing napkins in the wind and splashing in the mud. She realized that her kids didn't need a perfect day. They just wanted to have fun with her. Sarah joined in, laughing and playing, and by the end, it became one of their best memories. She learned that sometimes imperfection makes the day even more special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.